that number is usually an angle. And we'll get into a bit more of that when we actually start doing some examples, but x usually represents an angle. The capital letters O, H, and A, they represent the length of sides. Again, we'll get into a bit more of that when we start doing examples, but just know that x represents an angle and the capital letters represent the length of sides. The next thing that you will need to be able to do is answer what is it used for. And this is where things become a little bit clearer, hopefully. Trigonometry only works on right angle triangles. Just like Pythagoras' theorem, trigonometry will not work if you have a scalene, isosceles, or equilateral triangle. It will only ever work on right angle triangles. Trigonometry can be used for one of two things, either to work out the length of a side that you don't know, or work out the size of an angle that you don't know. Those are the two things you can actually calculate using trigonometry. Great, so now we know what is trigonometry and what is it used for. Let's tie it all in and actually explain how you perform trigonometry. And to do that, I'm going to move on to an example.